Hey learner, this is Nileshhanumantborate. In this video, we have to see the access specifier in Java. Okay, so there are the different access specifier: private, default, protected, and the public. So there are the 4 access specifier in a Java. So access specifier or the modifier. Okay, so in Java, the accessibility or the scope of a field, methods, constructor, or the class, we can change the access level of a field, constructor, method, and class by applying the access modifier. Okay, so see that what are the difference in between these modifier. So first one is that the private. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. Means if it is a private variable or the function, then it can be accessed only within the class. In outside class, if you try to call or access, then error will be generated. Okay. Default means you cannot define any access specifier. So only within the package. Package means folder. If your program, so if you have defined the multiple classes in a same folder, then you can easily create an object of these classes. Okay, but outside folder you cannot access. Okay, so it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. One is that the protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. Means protected can use current class and the subclass. Okay, so they have the 2 uses. They can be used like a private in current class and only allowed in subclass. Okay, next public. Simple way, public can access in anywhere, in current class, subclass, outside package, okay, outside world. Okay, so you can easily access the public variable and the functions from anywhere. Okay, so these are the tables. You see that where to use the different access specifier. So first one is that the private is used only within the class. It is not used in a same package or out in subclass or outside package. Okay, default means you cannot mention the access specifier. So they can use in within a class, within a package, means same package, and they cannot use outside package by the subclass or the outside package. Okay, so they only allowed within a class and within a package. Okay, then protected can use within a class, within a package, and outside package by subclass only. Okay, so outside package they cannot allow. So public can access in anywhere. Okay, so this is the simple table of access specifier. Next one, this is the one example of access specifier by using the private. So this is my class A and I can define the int data equal to 40 as a private, and this function is also the private. Okay, but in simple class, means this is the outside class, and in main method you can create the object of A class and you try to access the data variable or the message function, then compile time error will be generated because private variable or the function you cannot access the outside the class. Okay, so students, you can test this code on your machine. So next one is that, so we have already seen the package concept. So in package I have already told you that class and functions is must be the public. So if you forget the public, then compile time error will be generated. They cannot access. So this is one my package. My package name is that the pack, and this is my class A, and this is one my function message. So I can import this package here, and this is my main method. And if you create the object of class and you try to print the message function, then compile time error will be generated because you have to miss here the public. Okay, so means that default cannot access outside the folder. Okay, so this is the default. Default means here you cannot assign the any modifier, means this is the default. Okay, so next one is that protected. So protected can only allowed in subclass. Okay, so this is the inheritance class A and class B, B inherit A. So this is my protected function. So protected function can access only in a current class and subclass. So here subclass allowed to print the protected function. So if you create the object of B and print the message function, the output will be printed hello. Okay. And next one is that the public. So access specifier of public is that it can be accessed from anywhere. So you can you can make the public in a current class, in subclass, in package. Okay, so they can easily access. So these are the some access specifiers in Java. Okay, so if you have any queries related to this topic, then comment on your query in comment box. Subscribe and like this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.